Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix user account control yes button missing or grayed out in Windows 11, 10. Click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Recovery, click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Startup Settings. Click Restart, click F6 key. Login with administrator rights account. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, your username space, /add. Type exit. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Shutdown button, click Restart. Login with your username. Now you can try to install the application. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.